Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, Chainlink is doing really well. You look at this wick here on this daily candle today. Huge wick. Basically, you're breaking out of a beautiful pattern here, W bottom pattern, and essentially an inverted and shoulders, an ascending triangle as well. Okay, W double bottom pattern, reversal pattern. Look, the selling pressure's depleting. You're breaking out a key level resistance and you're retracing to each point in contact. Basically, like I said in the previous update a few days ago, you run into this key level resistance there, you may start to struggle and come back to the neckline of this, and it could be a good little entry point, to come back up the stairs and attack that and meet your technical target right there for Chainlink. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? It's looking good against USDT. It's equally looking good against Bitcoin as well. But what I want to show you right now for Chainlink is a monthly chart just there. Okay, let's take a look at this monthly chart. I'm going to show you something. Okay, so with Chainlink, then you can see it's in a whopping uptrend. Look at this. Okay, you can see that it's beginning to sort of curl around a little bit. Now there's only one thing here that worries me, okay, and it's this close just here that we got on the monthly time frame here. Okay, this is the only thing that concerns me at the moment, this monthly close below the monthly 20 EMA. So we do need to see this, Chainlink close back above that, so it's a little flash sort of fake out basically, because when you start to close under this 20, it does signify a downtrend. Okay, so if we consecutively keep closing under that, especially on the monthly, then you're entering a downtrend. You can see that you're rolling here. Okay, but there is hope here for Chainlink. Obviously, it's breaking out, it's doing really well, but this right here, okay, and it's technical analysis, and we'll show you everything from here. Is a key level support, okay, and right now, this technically is a bit of a bearish pattern. Okay, it's called the descending triangle. So basically, you come up, you make a high low like that, and you find a level of support. Once you lose that level of support, you'll have a technical breakdown target, okay, coming all the way down, okay, which will find for you once you lose that low just there. Okay, once you lose that low, you come down, and basically descending triangle spells a bear market and you come down. But we have got good news out for Chainlink this year, okay, and we're rallying at the moment into this resistance. So if we can start to close a month above this key level resistance, that will be really good. And this scenario closing below the 20 EMA on the monthly time frame would actually be a bit of a fake out. But we've got to keep an eye on this though, okay, because if you do run into that and start to roll next month, February, and start to close below this, then that's quite negative, and then you're in a technical target to the downside basically, because you're losing a key level support and you're closing below a main level of support on a monthly time frame. That's why I'll say to you, if in doubt zoom out, you can get a broader picture of the trend. So it is doing something it's done before, to be honest with you. Is Chainlink right here, okay? So you've opened and closed on this key level support and you've held it, okay? So this is good regardless of the 20 close, which is negative. Truthfully it is negative, but there is hope. And one thing that we've done is done this before. So I'm going to show you right now. Back in 2019, which I remember, all the way here, we're coming down this descending triangle, okay? And you start to roll out and lose the support down here of a descending triangle, then you're coming down. Basically, you have a technical target, and the more zoomed out you see these patterns, the better. You know what I mean? The more substance do you have. So again, you found this key level support just here. Okay, you was above the 20. You're coming up, down, high, lower highs, coming down. You held the lows, but then in the month just there, you start to pick up. Okay, pick up. Came up, bit overextended, fell back to this as support, closed above this. This is the Corona dumper 2020 just there, okay? Closed above this key level support, and with that you got confirmation of a break of resistance back to turning to support. I've taught you that much, and then you put the impulsive break. And just there, this came up to the 1618 and the 2 fib, which is why I've got them targets for you up there of $128 and $208, I think it is. But anyway, you are doing something here, just there, you're doing something that you did here as well. And what's strikingly similar, if we drop a vertical line on here, I can show you right now, what is strikingly similar is the fact that when we broke out here, if I do that, when was it? It was in January 2020. Now right now, where are we? We're in January 2020, and we're testing the key level resistance against a descending triangle. So it's very similar point of contact, isn't it? Very similar time frame as well. You come down and you look like you're rolling over a level of consolidation, basically holding the lows. But once you start to break out and get the confirmation break above that key level resistance, that was a major tick to the fact that you're breaking above a descending triangle and you're looking at continuation. Yeah, granted, you rolled over, but you held the lows. That's what you do. You turn resistance into support, you know, and you've got that test just there. So essentially, if we do start to close this month out in January, you know, given the structure of XRP, Chainlink's looking relatively bullish against most things in the news of staking, providing we do that and hold these lows, then this is really, really good. This could be a big tick to the fact, okay, well, you know, February, March might roll over, have a little retest, but the rest of the year could be extremely explosive here for Chainlink, and this is where you could see Chainlink coming up to them technical targets that I've given you in all the uploads right there. So it's crucial time. So this is why I say to you, it's always good to zoom out. You get a broader view of what's going on, the trend basically, you know. But one thing, full transparency, one thing that does worry me was this close below the monthly 20. So if we can sort of invalidate that right now, because that's not a good thing. That's a bad signal, you know. Closing above that 20 is not good in my book anyway, you know. Does it mean it's confirmation? No, you know, because you can see that you closed on that key level support as well. The confirmation for me would, you start to roll, close below that key level support just there, which is roughly around about $19. If you start to close below that, then you can see you're rolling here, and we're not going to get the breakout back to some support and continuation for Chainlink moving forward. But what it's doing so far is mirroring this in 2019 into 2020, which I remember really well. Started to come up, Corona dump again, an anomaly, and then start to break out to the upside. So that's just a quick little update for you on Chainlink. You know, it's doing relatively well, but if we can get the monthly close above that, amazing. If we get the close below that, not so amazing. Let's watch this space. Good luck, everybody. Take care. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.